Hey Google, play Fall Favorites.
Sure, here's the album Fall Favorites on Spotify.
When the wild winds blow through the empty pathways of my mind.
Hello and welcome back. It's the best time of year. It's autumn, fall, the leaves are turning, it's getting cold out, getting cozy inside, and I just wanted to take you through some of my favorite things that I do to just really lean into this weather. It's been a pretty heavy month. I'm very aware of that. Lots of changes, the days are getting shorter, and I just wanted to show you some of the daily things that have been bringing me joy and helping me adjust to the seasonal change.
And the rivers flow like the world has told them not to stop. Stand my ground. Hear the sound.
All right, so that was the Peak, which is one of Hamilton's most iconic locations to see the leaves and to see the fall foliage. It's a beautiful hike and quite the workout, but it was worth it. All right, so I just stopped in at my favorite cozy day treat, which is going to our local apothecary. It's called Apothe.ka, and their mission is to enhance your well-being through the purest, most effective essential oils and artisan teas. With a commitment to quality and sustainability, they offer a selection of premium products designed to enrich your daily rituals and elevate your sense of well-being. And oh my goodness, I have purchased quite a few things. I'll show you what I got. And when you walk in, first of all, I want to live there. It's beautifully decorated. The interior is so unique. It feels like you're in a library and a piece of history, and all the teas and all the products line the walls, and it just feels like a spa. It's just a little slice of heaven, and it's so cozy, and I will show you what I picked up. So first up, I got this tea straightener because I got a few loose leaf teas, so obviously I need to strain it in something, but this is beautiful. The first tea that I picked up is the Digesta, which eases, restores, and soothes. This is great for someone with digestive issues or to have after a big meal. Of the similar sense, I got the Immunis, which is immunity, protection, and purify. Kind of similar. I mean, 'tis the season for immunity boosting products. I'll take whatever I can get. And then I got two candles. So the first one I got is Sonam, which is unwind, sleep, and dream. And this smells like lavender, like chamomile. It smells delicious for a spa night and just easing down as the night goes on. And then the other one I got is Sui, which is power, strength, and confidence. And this one just gives you a jolt. It's like a eucalyptus, minty vibe, and it's perfect for during the day as you work. And yeah, that's what I grabbed. Alright, I wanted to share some fall favorites with you. These are the essentials that have been helping me transition to the colder weather. First things first is my skin gets so dry. The combination of the heat being on, dust flying around inside, and then the freezing cold weather. When you step outside, I need to prep my skin and make sure it's locked in with moisture. This dynamic duo is nothing new, but it is the Rhode Peptide Glazing Fluid, which I apply all over my body. It's meant for your face, but I'll put it on my elbows, I'll put it on my knees, just anywhere that needs moisture locked in. And the Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment in Unscented. This is the perfect gloss to go over any lip and just wear on its own. Hailey Bieber has really perfected that. If you've seen the trend of the bottom shelf products, the ones that maybe aren't the most beautiful but work the best, it's funny because these have that same effect. They feel medicinal, they feel like they're really doing their job, but they're beautiful, they're gorgeous, and they're totally the it product to use. So I definitely think they're worth the money, worth the hype. This is a pricey one, and definitely something that's not within my day-to-day budget, but I picked it up during the Sephora sale, so I did get a pretty good discount, and it's worth it. It's worth the price for sure. This is the Shoe don't know how to say it, Essence Absolute Nourishing Protective Hair Oil. And first of all, the smell is phenomenal. It's almost like a magnolia, beautiful, light, flowery scent, but that's not why I love it. It just hydrates you and adds shine to your hair and gets rid of frizz like nothing I've ever seen before. And my hair is super thin in strand, but I have a lot of it, so it gets pretty frizzy. Anyways, it is just worth every penny. It's one of the only products where I can visibly see a difference almost immediately. Leaning into that cozy, warm vibe, I picked up a new deodorant. It's the Native deodorant in vanilla and sandalwood, and this is just such a cozy, perfect everyday scent to have on your body. Most importantly, it's a natural deodorant that actually works. A novel concept, but truly it keeps you smelling good all day, and I would wear it as a fragrance if I could. Speaking of fragrance, I love a perfectly cozy scent to have every day as well, and that for me is the Glossier Eau de Parfum Travel Spray in You. What I really like about this is you can mix it with other fragrances because it's not too overpowering, so it makes this scent that's unbelievably and uniquely just yours. I love a deeper lip for the fall, and I picked up this Hourglass Phantom Volumizing Glossy Lip Balm in Lure, and this is the perfect plum shade. It stains and tints your lips while adding a gorgeous gloss. For me this season, I've been really leaning into statement jewelry pieces. I think there's just something so elegant and understated about having quality over quantity in terms of what you're wearing. First up is the Jenny Bird Puffy Fay Knockers in gold. These are such a beautiful piece. I've received so many compliments because they're just unique. They style any outfit, even the most simplest of wearing black on black. You can add those earrings in and you have a beautiful chic look. A similar scent for the Hey Harper Oscar ring in gold. This is a gorgeous piece that actually, as you turn it, looks different on all sides. So it's like you have multiple rings in one. I experiment and put this on different fingers, and I've received lots of compliments on this as well. I find it so simple and elegant to have a nice black scarf. So I have the Wilfred Classic Wool Scarf in black, and this just can be added to any outfit to ensure during those transitional seasonal months that you stay warm, but you have layers. So you could wear it with a jean jacket, with a blazer, and it's that added level of warmth without being too bulky or overdressed. I also love it for the office when maybe the air is still on from summer or it's just a little bit cool. You can drape it over your shoulders and it's like having a blanket at work. What could be better than that? I am so excited to get out my sweaters for the fall. My first one is the one I'm actually wearing right now, and it's the J. Crew Heritage Cotton Roll Neck Sweater in stripe navy ivory. And I actually got this in New York. I found it online first, but to ship to Canada was a little bit pricey. However, it's around the Black Friday time right now, so maybe you can find it on sale. Finding these pieces you can layer is perfect for when it's 30 degrees one day and 12 degrees the other. This is Celsius. Sorry if you're Fahrenheit, I have no idea. Up next is my favorite styling piece for this season that's inspired by Martha Stewart. If you haven't seen her documentary, check it out and you'll see what I mean. But this Aritzia, the 80s comfy denim shirt in 5 years kiss and tell blue. Who would have thought that I lived up to the stereotype of a Canadian tuxedo? Can't stop wearing denim on denim. This shirt with jeans or white jeans, I just think it looks so classy and so simple. You can wear a cool sneaker and add those fun accessories in, those statement pieces. So simple, so easy, but so good. I have also been loving cardigans. I know cardigans are really having a moment this year. I picked up this Frank and Oak one in this beautiful brown shade, and I wear it open as a blazer kinda, and I'll do it up. I'll wear it backwards. You can do so many things, and it's a perfect layering piece for this season. Speaking of blazers, this Aritzia leather blazer in black is perfect for going out at night. It dresses up your look and you can just wear jeans and a white tee with it or a dress with it. It's super compact and portable, and I've just been wearing it non-stop. This Marks & Spencer Cotton Rich Long Line Trench Coat in Buff is another perfect transition piece. It's very lightweight, so you're not sweating it out during those weird temperatures, but it still keeps you warm and uplifts your look. I think it's so classy. Finally, the Linterval Zetar leather boot in black. Knee-high boots, again, kind of like cardigans, having a moment. I love these boots. I wear them non-stop with skirts, with dresses, with long skirts. They dress up a look, they're super comfortable, and keep you warm. So, what more to say?
And the rivers flow like the world has told them not to stop.
Alright, I'm back in my room and cozy in bed and just ready to call it a day. On the first day of fall, I started Gilmore Girls back from the start, which is what I do every single year, and then I see how far I can make it before I lose interest. And this is the furthest I watched, so I might actually make it to the end. We'll keep you posted. So I'm probably gonna watch that tonight and put on a fire and just snuggle up with my dogs and lean into the cold, cozy weather. I'm always looking for tips and tricks to avoid seasonal depression, which is real. It's a real thing. So it's important to take care of yourself and find the little things throughout your day that make you feel your best. I'm really trying to learn more about, I'm gonna butcher how you say it. So let me just... Hygge. Hygge, that's how you pronounce it. It's the Danish word used to describe the Scandinavian concept of coziness and contentment that stems from enjoying life's simple pleasures. I mean, their weather's pretty intense, so if this is what they do to be such a happy, healthy population, then I'm leaning into this too. This can look like creating a warm atmosphere, enjoying the good things in life, taking time away from the daily rush, relaxing, enjoying life's quieter pleasures, so sharing a meal, curling up by the fire, wearing loose, comfy clothing, everything that just warms you from the inside out. And that's what I'm gonna try and lean into this fall and winter. So let me know what you're doing, and I will talk to you all soon. Thank you so much for watching.
When the wild winds blow through the empty pathways of my